Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow delicious green salad at home. First, select a prime location for your garden. Your chosen spot needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to thrive. Next, pick a suitable container. It should be at least 6 inches deep with good drainage. Finally, fill your container with a high-quality potting mix, rich in organic matter, to give your greens the best start possible. This foundation is crucial for a bountiful harvest. Now let's get those seeds planted. Sow your salad seeds about 1/4 inch deep, spacing them roughly 1 inch apart. This initial spacing helps ensure each seedling has room to grow. After planting, consistent watering is key. Keep the soil evenly moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. A drip irrigation system can be a fantastic way to deliver water efficiently and directly to the roots, saving you time and effort. Once your salad greens are growing, proper care and maintenance are essential. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 3 weeks using a balanced liquid fertilizer to encourage robust growth. Keep a close eye on your plants for any signs of pests. Regular inspection and organic pest control methods will keep them healthy. Remember to thin your seedlings to about 4 to 6 inches apart, giving each plant enough room to mature and produce plenty of delicious leaves. The most rewarding part is harvesting your fresh salad. You can start picking the outer leaves when they reach about 3 to 4 inches in length. This method allows the plant to continue producing, giving you a continuous supply of greens. Always use clean scissors or a sharp knife to make precise cuts, being careful to leave the plant's crown intact. Enjoy your homegrown greens immediately for the freshest, most flavorful salads you've ever tasted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.